Hi, my name is Sam. I'm a curriculum designer and product hacker at Robot Lab, and today I'm really excited because we just got our first shipment of NAO V6. And if you're watching this, maybe you just got yours too. So I'm going to show you how to unbox it. You want to start by cutting just the sides. So you cut the sides, don't cut down the middle because there's a poster inside. So just cut two little corners on the edges here, and then you can take it and pop it open, and the poster stays safe and you didn't cut it in half. Here it is. It's beautiful and functional because it tells you how to charge your robot, how to take it out of the box, and how to get it started. All right, so first thing you're gonna see when you open the box is the charger. Just put that aside for now. Next, you're going to see this giant piece of foam. It looks disposable, but don't throw it away because it's really useful for later when you want to store your robot. As you can see, it's got this nice imprint that looks just like the NAO, and these holes here for the NAO's hands so that when you store it, the fingers don't get broken because they're really fragile. So definitely keep this. Next, you've got the star of the show, NAO V6. When you take him out of the box, here I'm going to show you, grab him by the chest, don't grab the arms or the legs or the head. Kind of like a baby. All right, and here he is, NAO V6. Look at this beautiful new gray, I love it. Okay, we got NAO out of the box. What do you think? I love the color. They say that it's dark gray, but I think of it as more of a sparkly gray. So now that you've got your NAO out of the box, you probably want to do something with him, and we can help you over at Engage K-12. We've got hundreds of lessons for the NAO robot and resources for users, so come join us.